YouTubers, this is boy Dave Chappelle. I'm back. Had to do another video. Oh, man. Still not sure what went. If anybody knows anything, as far as I'm not sure if it was the cat pack. I mean, was the cat pack wires too long? I know it's supposed to be as close to the ESC as possible, but I'm looking at the circuit board. There is a. This is on this side. This thing might actually still be good. There are certain parts. Let me see, where's it at? It's probably the board got fried up out of nowhere. And this is most puzzling because you guys seen I turned it on. It ran, went forward with the remote control, I'm thinking, if the positive and negatives were reversed, it wouldn't have operated that long before it gave you some type of sign that something was wrong. I mean, anytime you hook a positive to a negative, especially battery powered stuff, it definitely tells you that's a no-no. It lets itself be evident right away. So very, very puzzling why this thing worked for the amount of time it did until I put it in reverse. And it's supposed to be the positive side. You see, that's just all burnt out. Was this the cat pack? Did the cat pack do this? I don't know. And I guess the capacitors is what was burning out, or that's where the fire probably came from. Surprisingly, this fan still works. Very surprised. Get this one in here. Try to do it with one hand. Get one in there. Or let me just put it down real quick. One there. Surprisingly, it still works. Still works. There's another fan here, like a little tiny one. That thing still works. Let me see. Let me look on this board real good. Wow, just like that. This thing just got toast. Oh, there you go. Was it the cat pack? I don't know. This is like the second time this happened. Second time, man. Let me see. Here it is. This little fan right here. Believe it or not, this little bugger works. Make sure I got those right. Let me get this one first. And then let me just get that in there. It's not working now. Oh, there you go. Get in there. Yeah, even that little thing is working. Still spinning. Yeah, man. I don't know. Maybe I can look up to see if there's some type of support. Call them up and see what can be done. But anyway, I found another one for I think it came to like $290. So maybe within the next month, hopefully, if it doesn't take too long to come from China, I'll be able to be back and up and running again. And wow. I just hope this doesn't happen a second time. I'm going to tell you right now, if this crap happens again, this project is squashed. Because I'm not spending another $300 for another ESC. Maybe something I'm doing ain't right. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I shouldn't have put a cap back on it. I don't know. Maybe you shouldn't. That could be it. I'm going to go look at some videos. I don't see anybody else putting a cap pack on this. So maybe, maybe I didn't need one. I'll do some research. But anyway, peace out.